Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is chapter 2 of the so-called 10-minute discovery of anvil feedback form. So I've already got chapter 1. I got the form theoretically finished, and now I'm going to continue with creating a data tables service. So in the tab on the left, click the plus next to services. Click the plus next to services. All right, so let's try splitting this screen, and we'll do something like that. Maybe that will make this a little easier. So I'm looking for a plus sign. I'm looking for a plus sign. Okay, so hopefully that didn't break anything. Okay, everything's there. And the panel on the left. Okay, so I guess I have to open this up. All right, so there is no panel on the left. On the app browser. Okay. On the app browser. Here's the app browser. And services. Services. Maybe it's under here. Share app, free plan, I don't see services. Okay. I don't see, this is, maybe it's down here. No. Services. Okay, there it is. Very small. Is it? Okay, so here are the services. I click the plus sign. What am I looking for? Okay, I click the plus sign, mark that one complete. Now, click on data tables. All right. And this table, all right, so next to services and click on data tables. All right, so I need to click add a table, yeah, and create new table. So I'll call that name. Okay. What is the name I'm supposed to use? That's not what I want. Okay, so add a table, create new table. We probably get, let's call it feedback. Okay, so this is supposed to be called feedback. Call it feedback. That's the table. And then you probably, okay, add a column for the name, new column, add text column, we'll call that name. And I need another column, email, another column, feedback, and then another column, what's it called? Created. Right, so I need a date time, right? Date and time, yeah. And I call this created. All right, and key pattern columns has a structure, so we described above: name, text, email, feedback, and etc. All right, and my table looks something like this, which it does. Mark complete. All right, so that's chapter 2. So I'll go ahead and pause this and we'll continue with chapter 3 in the next video. Thank you.